comparison of JK8008 VC multi-needle interlock machine series. This series of flat lock machine has a fully automatic lubricating system, a hook needle longitudinal movement device, a simple flatbed, and is suitable for sewing of envelope clothing. Usually it is used for decorative processing of waist-suppressed location, sleeves and legs of jackets, shirts and blouses, one-piece dresses, sports clothes, as well as of bed covers, quilt covers, and curtains. JK8008 VC multi-needle interlock machine series mainly includes JK8008 VC 04064P, JK8008 VC 04085P, JK8008 VC 04095P, JK8008 VC 06048P, JK8008 VC 06064P, JK8008 VC 06080P, JK8008 VC 08064P, JK8008 VC 12048P, JK8008 VC 12064P, JK8008 VC 1306432P, JK8008 VC multi-needle interlock machine series. 14 advantages. 1. Feeding cam device. Adopts up-to-date feeding cam device similar to that used in overlock machine, featuring simple structure and durable surface. 2. Stainless steel sewing table face. The table face is of stainless steel compared with the old type of paint-coated iron one. The quality and appearance of sewed material is greatly improved. 3. Button-type stitch regulating. Button-type stitch regulating is most suitable for production of multi-varieties. Just press the button and at the same time turn the hand wheel to proper scale position. It is easy to get a stitch you need. 4. Total new barrel-shaped design. Convenient for sewing of envelope clothes. The circumference of its barrel seat, including towing wheel, is 480 millimeters, much smaller than that of 1404P series. Besides, the distance from the machine arm to table face is 30 millimeters. 5. Automatic closed lubricating system. The automatic closed lubricating system enforcedly supplies the lubricating oil to main shaft, long link rod, feeding cam, upper lateral shaft, and large lever, effectively prolonging the machine's service life. 6. Totally new design of large size lever. Totally new large lever is of balanced structure. The lever oblique lying on the machine head depresses shock greatly, and an oil line passing through the 4-hole head lubricates the holes and the pins and relieves friction effect, thus enhancing the operation comfort. 7. Enforced oil return device of head. The machine head adopts enforced oil return device, which not only ensures sufficient lubrication of pressure shaft and needle bar, but also effectively prevents leakage from those areas. 8. Convenient looper holder ejecting device. Just pull with the finger slightly. The looper holder will be ejected. Then threading can be done conveniently. Thus work efficiency is greatly improved. 9. Oil filtering device. A filtering device is provided at the machine back. The filter has an easily replaceable filtering element, which ensures oil system cleanness, is helpful for system lubrication and temperature drop, and prolongs machine service life. 10. Movable needle garter. Movable needle garter can eliminate thread skipping when machine runs at a high speed and reduce wearing. For machines with 12 needle or less, Each needle has an independent garter for easy adjustment. The newly designed 13-needle protector of free positioning can prevent thread skipping effectively. 11. Convenient adjustment of rear pulley. Each machine is equipped with wear pulley to facilitate cloth moving and prevent crimping, which yields flat, even, and neat stitch. It is easy to adjust speed of the towing wheel. 12. New tension device of 6-needle and 8-needle. 6-needle, 8-needle new tension device is simple in structure, which consists of 16 small tension units, 8 units less than the old type. The tension device can be directly mounted onto the machine after completion of the machine debugging, and no removal is necessary late. Therefore, it is convenient for threading and debugging. In addition, the force to lift the pressure is greatly decreased due to the decrease of small tension units, thus reducing the operator labor strength. 13. Excellent empty loop. JK8008 VC Multi-Needle Series employs private measuring and testing means to ensure equal gaps between each needle and looper, needle garter and wiper. Thus, each needle is able to give good empty loop and neat stitch. 14. JK8008 VC04 A32P Separate Looper Rack. In brief, this model adopts separate looper rack consisting of 4 small looper sub-racks. It can arrange needle positions at will and render the machine a multi-purpose effect. Besides, by fitting upper HR device and tension variator, it can effectively lower needle temperature and regulate thread tension, thus permitting stable and neat stitch. Our products have been employed by famous enterprises such as Bosideng, Langsha, Younger, Highland, etc. Jack Sewing Machine, pioneer in field of oil-free direct drive technology.